In this video, I'll show you how to fix GTA 5 stuttering and lag that appears after 10 to 15 minutes of gameplay. To fix it, check my video description for this mod. Right click on the ScriptHookV and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. Open bin, close stuff here and right click on the game and select Open File Location. Drag and drop all these files inside and then go back. Open this audio fixes. Drag and drop this shutter fix inside. Once you're done, go back and open this best FPS mod. This is for low-end PC users and this is for high-end PC users. Open Documents, Rockstar Games, GTA 5. Drag drop the settings to desktop. Drag drop the settings more inside here. Right click on the setting and select Edit in Notepad. Scroll down to the bottom. Copy this graphics card name. Minimize this. Right click on this setting and select Edit in Notepad. Scroll down. Paste the name in here. Select File and select Save option. Now you can launch the game. And now you can play the game without having any stuttering problem. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.